If you're thinking of placing foliage around your home, you'll need something to put it in. With that said, the look of a houseplant has a lot to do with its pot. Planters come in all shapes, sizes, colors, materials, and price points, and since there are virtually endless options out there, we rounded up the top designs for every budget and taste. Here, the best planters you can shop today.
Number 1. Zutog Succulent Ceramic Flower Planter Pot. The Zutog set of 4 succulent pots comes with bamboo trays, allowing for an easy and eye-catching display. The miniature planters work great individually or as a neat plant grouping on a windowsill or shelf. These ceramic pots have a smooth finish for a clean, modern look. Each contains a built-in drainage hole that prevents overwatering and root rot. Zutog succulent pots include 6 ceramic white pots with stylish bamboo trays. The pots have a drainage hole to ensure your succulent isn't overwatered, and the bamboo trays catch any drips. There are 2 sizes available including 3, 15x3, 15x2, 36 inches or 3, 7x3, 7x2, 36 inches. The smaller succulent pot's minimalist look is stylish and will go with a variety of designs. The larger succulent pots have a different design that gives the plant pots a wavy look. Pros: set of 4 mini planters, strong ceramic build, drainage hole included, different designs and sizes are available. Cons: material is breakable. Number 2. Novelty Majestic Full-Depth Round Cylinder Pot. At first glance, the Novelty Store full-depth cylinder may not seem very exciting, but it proved to be a reliable performer if not a little overpriced. The tapered walls and flexible plastic make repotting or transplanting a breeze, and the overall volume of this pot was much greater than other models. However, the lack of quality components was perhaps the most pronounced drawback of this model. Despite having an included saucer, we found it to be only slightly useful. It isn't quite large enough to hold runoff from a full watering, and it is also challenging to remove from the pot as it snaps into place, because it can be purchased in either white or black with 5 different sizes ranging from 6 inches to 14 inches. This could be a good option for someone looking to get all their plants into matching containers. Otherwise, there isn't much that could be regarded as exceptional in the Novelty Store Full-Depth Cylinder Pot. Each is equipped with built-in trays to protect decks, patios, and indoor surfaces from water damage. Number 3. Braj 2 5-inch Ceramic Succulent Planter Pot. If you're looking to put your seedlings or air plants in a sightly vessel to display with your other potted plants, then you may find a friend in the Braj 2 5-inch. These small ceramic vessels each have a unique design with a high-fire glaze that not only looks great but will help preserve moisture, and while the drainage holes are tiny compared to other pots, our testers found them fitting for the application of small plants. These pots will work great for small succulents, slow-growing delicate plants, or air plants, all of which do not require a large root zone to thrive. Outside of this niche, they offer very little utility, which is perhaps their greatest shortcoming. Succulents in a sunny window may rapidly outgrow these pots. However, for the right purpose, these pots could be the perfect match. If you want to put your tiny specimens on display with the rest of your plant family, then definitely consider an investment in the Braj 2 5-inch succulent pots. Pros: set of 6 unique pots, high-quality ceramic with glaze. It comes with wooden saucers, durable construction. Cons: very small, requires frequent watering. Number 4. Zutog 6-inch Succulent Planter Pots. While we can see the Zutog succulent pot useful in certain scenarios, it is ultimately more limited than it is able. Because of its very shallow construction, the variety of plants that you can use in this pot is extremely narrow. Essentially, succulents are your best bet for this container. However, we will attest that this pot will look good on a desk or bookshelf when carefully planted and properly cared for. It appears that form was a greater consideration than function with this design. The bamboo saucer and modern porcelain design have a sharp presentation, though the performance of this model isn't up to par with the other pots in this review. At only 1.5 inches deep, this container will dry out very quickly and will only accommodate very, very small plants. User be warned, the Zutog succulent pots aren't intended for much more than display. When looking for a sleek table centerpiece, Zutog Succulent Pots 6-inch offers a clean pattern in your apartment coffee table, office, home decor, and dorm room. Number 5. Gardenix Decor 7-foot Self-Watering Plant Pots. There are numerous methods to reduce the hands-on time with watering your plants. Some are gimmicky, and some actually work. Our testers were overall very satisfied with the self-watering reservoir found on the Gardenix Decor 7-inch self-watering. This set of 3 plastic pots are not only attractive but also very functional. Plus, they come in a variety of colors to suit your taste. Self-watering pots will take a little bit of time to get used to if you're used to top watering, though they allow for an even distribution of moisture and can help prevent overwatering. Though these pots do not have a drainage hole in the outer plastic, you should be careful not to use them in a place where they may receive additional water that cannot drain. For houseplants that love well-moistened soil, the Gardenic self-watering pots will be very handy indeed. Reasons to buy. It comes in a set of 3, attractive design, multiple colors. Available, self-watering with a moisture gauge. Reasons to avoid, smaller than some.